Assalamu alaikum, dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Mokter Hossain, Assistant Teacher of Islamic Studies, National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Today, I am going to take an Islamic Studies class for the students of class Junior 1. And our today's topic is I.G.K. So dear students, let's see the board. Class Junior 1, Subject Islam, Topic I.G.K 10 to 12, Term Annual 21, Lecture number 10 and SW also 10. Teacher Mokter Hossain, this is my mobile number and today's date. So let's start our today's topic I.G.K. The students, number 10. Who was the grandfather of our Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? And the answer is Abdul Muttalib. Now, number 11, who is our creator? And the answer is Allah. Number 12, what is the name of our religion? And the answer is Islam. Dear students, we should know Allah has created us. He has also created everything of the world, so He is our creator. And we should also know that there are many religions in this world, and Islam is one of them. Islam is the best religion in this world. Now, SW number 10, SW topic I.G.K 10 to 12. Dear students, that's all for today. I hope you have understood today's topic properly. Keep practicing at your home. Abide by your parents. Stay safe and well. See you again inshallah. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.